Hey guys, so it's been a while, like probably a few years, but I'm back at it. Been working a lot, but I'm gonna bring some more videos back at you. New place, new shop. I got another truck. So, but on today's job, coolant leak. I got it draining right this side, but we got a little leak down. I don't know if you can see it. I think behind the water pump. So I'm gonna take all this crap off. We'll get a little closer and check out what's leaking. I'm gonna change the water pump anyways while I'm in there, but it looks like it's behind the water pump. So I'll take all this shit out and get back at you. I'm gonna take the wheel off too since I'm doing brakes. Alright, so I pumped her up. I got 10 pounds. Okay. Let's see. If you can see down. Let me try to get in there a little better. Looks like usually they leak from the weep holes, but it looks like this is leaking from the seal. Okay, wipe that off. I don't know if you can see that, but she's coming from the seal. So start taking it apart. I'm gonna take the alternator off, belt, this little bracket. See if I put you somewhere. Also, I took the air filter off to make it a little easier to get to. It's only a couple bolts. Oh, fuck. Put a little freaking sauce on it. What I use is ATF acetone. Works great. That's stuff I've used. Oh, that doesn't feel good. It don't feel good. Oh. Wow, these are on there. New England makes every job harder. At least I don't feel like shit. Those ones are alright. Now these ones, I don't know if I can break on me. Feels like it's gonna freaking break. Maybe do a new bracket. This one does not feel good. looks like we're doing a bracket. Didn't break, but the freaking I don't know if you can see that. Freaking broke right off. What does that entail? Alright, so I'm gonna take this out. It's a little dark, and then we'll take this bracket out, and we'll get to those 8mm bolts on that. Alright, so with the bracket off, so there's this little bracket that goes like this. Goes to that. You take that off. And just remember, when it goes back, get the stud on this one. Now you got these two 8mm, two 10mm. Now getting it off isn't super hard. It's just you're gonna need two hands. Really can't do it, but so what I'll do is I'll hold two of them. You see, keep them tight, and then put a wrench on the other one, crack it loose, and do that all the way around till they're loose, and then you can get a little 1/4 inch impact in. I don't think I can put you anywhere that you can see. So let me just crack those loose, and then I'll get you back. Alright, so I got them cracked loose, get the Milwaukee, kind of just get in there. Try to, how can I push? Crack them up. We had two 10mm and two 8mm. Love the Milwaukee, definitely makes it easier, but took off the wheels 1 inch, definitely not impressed. I mean, I've had it for a year. It takes off probably half the ones. I don't know what, people just over tighten them, but I was ready to pull out the air gun. I'll probably pull it out for the other side. It was freaking struggling, but I don't know. I am a Milwaukee fanboy, but can't beat the air. And sorry all the freaking sniffling too. I'm sick. And but the show must go on. My phone won't stop ringing. Just when you think like it's starting to catch up a little bit, it just keeps on ringing. And I hate turning stuff away, but the plates I have, I gotta keep them happy. Let's see. Get the hammer. Give me more. Probably be easier with 2 hands, but again, there, it didn't fall in the bucket. Nice. Let's see if I can put it somewhere I can see. There's fucking nowhere to put you. Like that. Not really. Line it straight. I think that's the one. There's a bolt behind it. So So I like to keep, if you have a new piece, a new pump, I like to put these in whatever hole in the new one so you don't forget. But there is a bolt on the other side I'll have to get with a wrench. Let's see. Can't remember if there's more than one. See, that one's longer. We got one here. Can't even see. Nothing's dropped in the bucket yet of coolant, but I might have spoke too soon so far. So that one is, you got the two long ones there, and this one 13 mil, I think. That's spinning too. All right. Let me get some wrenches on the back. Hold on. Get that. So this should just come out. I don't know. Oh yeah, the gasket is pretty freaking flat. So here it is. Put it back on the same way. And you want to scrape up. Let's see. If you want to scrape, get all the crap off here and everything. Alright, so the new one. Put it back in. Alright, so I got the new bracket. Oh, that broke right off. I don't know if someone cross-threaded it or whatnot. International didn't have the bracket. They couldn't get me one. So actually I found it on eBay. Not a bad deal. Just I'm having trouble getting parts for stuff. I don't know what it is. It's just supply issues. I just did a Ford 2011 Ford upper oil pan gasket, and I wanted to change the oil pan. There's only 4 left in the country, and they wouldn't give me them. They're already been taken, so I don't know. It's just getting tougher and tougher. But anyways, so water pumps in. Put the pulleys on. See if you can see that. Put the new bolts on the front. Someone had the wrong bolts on it. And so, see if I can get this. So you have 2 bolts that go through. One right here. This one, the first one, and then this one goes through the back. Let's see if I can get it. It's kind of hidden, but you can, yeah. So those 2 go through, and then you get the one down here. It's about medium size, a little longer, and then there's 2 at the bottom that, sorry about the lighting, so tight. So there's one down here and there. They're the same size, and you have the small one that goes right on this side. So you don't want to get them mixed up. And let's see, the brackets, if it helps, you can take the bracket off. There's only 4 bolts. Never mind, this bolt goes through the bracket. Just undo the cam sensor, screw that back in. And what else? Oh yeah, what I want to say. So the tensioner pulley, a little trick you want to do, because with the belt, so when you put it up, you want to put the belt around, like on the inside through it first. It's going to go, so the belt would like, it's going to be on the inside like this, but it's going to flip it around. Then you bolt it up. It'd just be a lot easier because it's just the clearance and everything. It's tough. But anyways, we'll put that all back together. Top it off. And that's it. Till the next one. Thanks for watching.